and welcome today as we're going to learn about Socrative, in which we just finished our unit on rocks and minerals. First, you have to go onto the internet and you're going to sign in. You will simply put on the web address msocrative.com. I need everyone to do that right now. As soon as you finish putting in the web address, this is the page that you're going to see. Everyone needs to enter my room, and my room number is 393922. So if you would type that into the room number line right now, and we'll go on with the next part. Simply click join the room, and then it's that simple, and we'll all wait until everyone has signed in to the class. As soon as you get to this, you're going to see that a screen that pops up that looks similar to this, and it says please wait for your instructor to start the activity. In today's activity, we're going to take a sample quiz over some of the information that we have been studying. For this quiz, the first question simply asks you to put your name. You're going to enter your last name, your comma, and then your first name. So that way I will know who has taken the quiz and who has not. As soon as you have finished that, you'll start your first question. You read the question. It's a multiple choice question, and you're going to click on the answer that you think is correct. As soon as you answer that question, then it will let you know if the answer is correct or not, and then you can move on to the next question. If it's incorrect, you're still going to get to move on. It just shows it up in red so you'll know it's wrong. Once you finish your quiz, you're going to hit Finish Quiz, Quick Quiz, and you will be finished with it at this time. After we've practiced this, next I'm going to show you how to make a quiz, and you can make one for us as a class to work on to study our unit a little bit more. Alright class, welcome back. Now that we've had a chance to practice the quiz, now I'm going to actually help you to sign into a class account that I've designed for our class in order to make up your own quiz over the chapter we've just studied. You will need to put in the email address, which is my school email address, and the password is, alright, and then you click on login. The next thing you will see is an option to manage the quizzes. This is where you're going to create, edit, delete a quiz, or erase. So select Manage Quizzes at this time. As soon as you finish that, then you're going to select the next screen which says Create a Quiz. Since we haven't made one, you're going to create it. So this is where we start the beginning of our quiz. You have different types of questions. There's 3 different types. There's multiple choice, true and false, or short answer questions. You may use one or all of these question formats. Just click on the one that you want. The next screen that will pop up looks similar to this. I want you to click the box that says Enable Sharing. I want you to take the check mark out. I don't want to share it with other people. So it keeps it just to us. Then you're going to make a choice, either multiple choice or short answer. For our example, I clicked on multiple choice, and this is what pops up. Where it says question, you're going to type in your question, and you can put as many as 5 answer choices or less. Click the box that has the correct answer on it, and then you can choose your next question. But before you do, this is a sample of what I did. I typed in the question. Answer 3 is the correct answer, so you can see I placed a check mark in that box. You may or may not put an explanation in there. You do not have to. Then I chose the short answer format, so you can see what this looks like. It has a question and an explanation. So you would type in your question where it says question. You want to make it simple and just a one answer, not several different answers, because order can make a difference sometimes. Name the 3 types of rocks. And here I put igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary. So make sure you have your answer. You could also do a true and false if you wanted to. When you're finished, you're going to hit the Save button. It will ask you to create a name for your quiz. You need to choose a name of the group of people that you're in, or something that you will know to identify it as your title to your quiz. After you've typed in a name, then you can again click Save. then you're finished. You're ready to start your quiz. So you can go back to the main screen. There's a little blue arrow at the top. It says main screen. So click on that to get to the menu at the beginning. And then you would choose Start a Quiz. Now this is only when some people are logged in and with the same class number that we have here. And you would start the quiz for the one that you named it. So here it says Sample Quiz, which is what I just made up. And then you as a teacher, you get to be the teacher, can decide if it's student-paced or teacher-paced quiz. Will they just answer until they are finished, or do you give them a timed amount of time? When you're finished, this tells you what your results are, how many people were in the class, and how many have completed the quiz. And that's how you are going to do your next assignment.